I'm Jeff Glennie with Littelfuse. I'm the U.S. Relay Sales Engineering Manager, and I'm going to discuss the motor protection packages that Littelfuse now offers. The MPS and the MPU 32, motor protection system and motor protection unit. Without current, voltage, and temperature monitoring or protection, insulation damage, bearing failure can result and cause considerable downtime for a plant or refinery application. Stressing the insulation by constant overload is one of the primary causes of motor failure. So undercurrent protection that's added with these relays really can save your capital investment in your motors. The MPS and the MPU 32 are used anywhere where there's three-phase induction motors. Typical applications for these relays are in industrial plant facilities such as petrochemical, pulp and paper, wastewater facilities, refineries, pipelines, mining, any plant environment. The MPS and the MPU 32 are both ideal for use in high resistance grounded systems. Oftentimes the soft starters or the variable frequency drives don't have adequate protection. They don't go low enough to protect the motor. So the MPS and the MPU 32 have a sensitive CT input used for nickel alloy CTs that we can supply. These allow sensitive detection levels without nuisance tripping. Where customers already have existing soft starters and adjustable speed drives that have built-in protection, the MPS and the MPU may add different communications protocols, additional RTD temperature monitoring to those applications, or protect individual motors when they're using a soft starter or a drive to start multiple motors. NEC and CEC require each motor in your facility to have overload protection, and that is provided by these two. The MPU 32 motor protection unit consists of the control unit itself that is typically mounted through the door, a current input module that's mounted on the back plate of the cubicle, and that combination gives you overcurrent protection and overload protection. It can also be used with this RTD module. It can monitor temperature of the motor. On the top we have the MPS OPI, which is an operator interface, and behind it that you can't actually see is the control unit, the MPS CTU. You can also use the control unit without an operator interface and simply use it through communications. And then the RTD module can be tied into that package as well to provide temperature protection on larger motors. A standard on all Littelfuse relays is conformal coating. That will protect them from mold, moisture, and corrosion. We've designed the products to survive in some of the harshest environments in the world, and that conformal coating helps that condition as well. As you can see, the MPS motor protection system and the MPU 32 are a compact form factor. This gives us a key benefit going into older facilities and retrofitting older electromechanical relays or solid-state relays. Communications capability is one of the primary advantages. You can communicate any of the information that you're monitoring or measuring and take that remote. So that's the primary benefit of having something that's microprocessor based. You also get additional information such as data logging. So you can look back at the last, say, 100 trips on a particular device. The software is available for download at no charge, and it comes on a CD when you order the relays. It is very user-friendly, and it also allows you to pre-program the relay at your laptop and download the information to the MPS or to the MPU motor protection. I was on site at one facility years ago when they had just switched to our motor protection relay. They had questioned whether the unbalanced protection was necessary. They had a condition that particular day where the unit tripped on unbalance, so they saved the motor by switching to our relay and having those additional features over existing overcurrent protection. To try and find a larger motor to replace it with, it's not a stock item, so it would have been considerable downtime.